Hi YouTube, welcome back to another video from Wtf Rc Cars. So, more bits for the Kyosho GT2 VE. So we've got the front upper aluminium arms. So, we're going to get these fitted. And we got a whole bunch of mods that I want to do to this. But we're just going to work through it nice and steady. So, I'd like to get some more running videos of this, but the weather has been absolutely awful. But last vid, we got the carbon arms, shock towers, sorry. So we're going to go to replace these. And it looks like they're the right fitment. And you've got a little locking screw in the top. So it looks like that's to hold the adjustment. So hopefully these will fit nice. But let's get you in for a closer view so you can see what we're doing on this. Right, so the first thing we're going to need to do is get these two hinge pins out. So let's see if we can see it. So we're looking at the screws in here that line up and come through the hinge pins. So let's see what screwdriver we've got that'll fit that. And these shouldn't be too difficult to undo. So that's one out, and then we need the other removing, and then they just pull out. So we should just be able to lift these off. So if we look at these, they are split down one side so they can pinch up to it, but they're not threaded. And they do look like exactly the same measurement, so that shouldn't cause us any problems. And they have got little nylon bushings in them. Right, so let's make us life a bit easier, and let's take this off completely. So that's one off, and then we'll just remove the screw from the top and this side. So that's got both of them off. I'll just move the RC to one side so we can see what we're doing. So we're going to want to get these unscrewed because we know the measurement. So that is that side and that is that side. So we're going to want the one that fits with the screw to the top. Make sure that is screwed all the way out. And then we're going to have to try and get this to screw on, which is going to be easier said than done. So let's try screwing it off from this end. It looks like it's same side no matter which way it's threaded, so let's try getting a drill and see if we can screw it in with drill. So all I've done is fastened it into the drill. Let's see if we can get it to go in this way. So it looks like we can screw it in like that, but I don't want this to spin. definitely far easier putting these on this way. Right. And then we're going to want this screw back in. So we should be able to refit this to the car. So I'm just going to nip this back up. Because we don't want that coming loose. So you want to make sure your drive shaft's not popping out. I'll just put that into position to hold it for a second. It does look pretty good at that, so let's tighten this one up. Right, so that's one fitted. Now we just need to get the other one on, so let's see if we can persuade these to come loose. So it's definitely going to be easier screwing that out and then fasten it in the drill. That is definitely the easiest way to get them off, and it looks like it's by far the easiest way to get the new ones on. So I'm just going to put that in to open it up. So that looks by far the easiest way to get them in. Stick them in drill. So it just needs to be opened a little bit. Yep. So now we can tighten that down. I can't ever see that coming out through normal driving. So we're going to want this pin back in the front, and then make sure his drive shaft's in. Yep. So then we retighten the top pin on the hub carrier. And there we have it. We've got some nice A-arms fitted. No binding anywhere. Looks Slight steering needs adjusting on this a bit, but that's easy enough to do. I think that link wants lengthening very slightly. But that is the aluminium top A-arms fitted on the Kyosho GT2 VE. So, as always, link will be in the description below, but some nice blue anodised top arms. We've got a whole load of other mods that we're going to be doing to this, so if you like this kind of video, don't forget to like and subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, share to friends and family, and I'll catch you guys again in the next one.